Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is purposely for tutorials like this and then how to design as a beginner and a pro. In this one, we are going to look at how to pop out an image effect in Photoshop, and this is coming up as usual. Stay tuned. Before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification button for more videos when it drops. Let's start. Welcome once again. Now we are in Photoshop. Let's unlock the layer first. This is where we are going to unlock, and then we duplicate quickly. Then we move on to this particular and select magic wand tool and then hit here. You see the layer has been selected. Now we come back here and add a mask. After adding the mask, we quickly go to file, place embedded, and then bring in the image that we are going to use. We are going to use the hand image that we saw during the introduction, and this is where the hand is on my desktop, and I'm still searching for it. So quickly I've seen it. I'll just drop it in, and here it is. Now I'll have to also align this on top of this mobile phone and then click OK. This is it. First of all, you cannot just use this as a clipping mask. You have to first select here and then use this button subject. After clicking subject, you click Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Now we have two layers here. Let me off it, you see, and then we have this one on top. Now you click on the middle one and then you clip a mask into this file. Clip a mask, and now we have our file being embedded into our mobile phone. Now we have another one to add, and that is the bed you saw inside the hand. File, place embedded, and then search for the bed so that we can add the bed to make it very raw. Now the bed is here. We have added the bell. Now we cannot use this bed just like that. So we go straight and then select OK. Right click on the bed, rasterize this layer here, and then move straight to the magic wand tool. The first one we selected, yes, and then we click on this part, hit backspace on the keyboard, and then click this other part, hit backspace as well. Now we have this bed. We click Ctrl T to make sure that we can transform this bed to fit in the hand of the man. Let me zoom for us to see it very clearly. Now I'm done. You see, I'm going to zoom and then bring the bed down to make this very real. There's just tutorials. We can add some effect to make it more realistic, but for the sake of time, let's use this. And that is the design we have. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.